Happy Monday, everybody. Okay, everybody knows that Monday is the worst day of the week. Only joking. I'm just going to do a quick walk around and let you know what's happening today. It's at the beginning of this beautiful week. I'm going to put a little specials out because we supply, I think I've mentioned before, we supply filters, not refurbished filters, brand spanking new filters, and we supply them for Cisco, Arista, Juniper, all the brands. But I just wanted to show you what happens to filters over a period of time. Now, this is, does anybody know what that is? Cisco 7500. Yeah, I'm afraid she's a goner. But anyway, look what happens to filters. So these are very old filters, and look what happens over a period of time. They crumble, they get dry and hot, and obviously this will be made of a sort of a plastic type material. And look, see what's happened. Look, just so. That there is a perfect example of why you should replace your filters on a regular basis. That customer obviously didn't. Anyway, I'm in the... I'll just do a quick show around because I just want to show you something that's just come through. Okay, so there's some switches. Those are Cisco switches there. Those are drying. But what I wanted to show you was... the Arista switch over there that's just come in, and oh, I see. We're just testing a 20-port line card for a 9400 series, but I just want to show you this masterpiece. Look at that, an Arista 7280 CR3-36S, 100 gig. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 24 port 100 gig, and then you've got 8 ports which are capable of 200 gig, I suspect, and then you've got full 400 gig uplinks, and we've got a slightly different one of those coming through a bit later on today. Yeah, so I'll do a full video of those when they're ready to go out. Anyway, hope you have a lovely beginning of the week. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.